Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm really excited to show you how to make Wingstop style wings in the oven instead of the fryer in two different flavors, garlic parmesan butter and buffalo. First thing we're gonna do is get our wing sections, and I'm using about 2 pounds, which ends up being 25 pieces. Lay them out and pat them dry really well with some paper towels until they're completely dry. This is gonna make sure they turn out super crispy in the oven. Then transfer them to a large bowl, and we're gonna add our baking powder, which also helps them become really crispy in the oven. Then we're gonna add our spices, which includes lemon pepper, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and just a little bit of salt. Keep in mind that the Cajun and lemon pepper already have some salt along with the sauces that we're gonna toss the wings in later. Mix all that around until all the wings are coated evenly, and now we're gonna get a wire rack and lay them out, making sure that they're spaced apart. For easier cleanup, you can line your tray with some foil and then pop it in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit to bake for about 30 minutes. While they bake, we're gonna make our garlic parmesan and herb butter. It's super simple to make. You're gonna start off with some melted butter, and it can be unsalted or salted. Then we'll add some grated parmesan along with some fresh garlic that's been finely minced and some parsley that's been finely chopped. Then we'll add salt and black pepper to taste. Mix all that up together, and that's basically it. You have your garlic and parmesan butter, and now we're gonna move on to our buffalo sauce. The first and most important ingredient that you're gonna need is a vinegar-based hot sauce, and you're basically just gonna mix that with some melted butter. Now, I like to leave it at just that, just those 2 ingredients. It comes out perfect and delicious every single time, but if you like a little bit more stronger vinegar taste in your buffalo sauce, then you can add about a tablespoon or 2 depending on how you like it. Once both your sauces are ready, the 30 minutes should be up, so you can take the wings out of the oven and flip them over. Pop them back into the oven to bake for another 20 to 25 minutes, and they should come out looking super golden and crispy just like this. Take half the wings and transfer them to a bowl and toss in the garlic parmesan sauce just by shaking it like that. And that's basically it. Now you have your garlic parmesan wings, and we're going to take the other half and toss it in the buffalo sauce that we made earlier. Shake it back and forth until all the wings are coated evenly. And now they're all ready to enjoy. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when I upload a new recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!